Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple extruded solid model for the tube spacer. The dimensions here are in inches, so got Fusion 360 open here, and this is how your tube spacer is going to end up looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new design. So start a new design, make sure the units are in inches. So I'm going to change my active units to inches. Next thing, let's take a look again. So I'm going to start off by creating this bottom cylinder of the tube spacer. So we have the diameter of the inner circle as 1.25 inches, and then the outer circle has a diameter of 2.5 inches, and the extrusion distance is 2.75 inches. So let's start off our very first sketch. On the front plane, I'm going to create a center diameter circle. I'm going to place the center of my circle at the origin. I'm going to give that a diameter of 1.25 inches. Another circle, same center, diameter 2.5 inches. And now the sketch is fully defined, so I'm going to click on finish sketch. Going to extrude that, so select the profile, and for the direction I'm going with symmetric on this one, and it's going to extrude on either side of the profile. So for a total extrusion length of 2.75 inches, I need half on either side. So I'm going to specify the distance as 2.75 divided by 2 and enter. Next thing, coming back here, I'm going to create this portion of the tube spacer. So that's going to be another hollow cylinder. Inner circle diameter 1 inch, outer circle diameter 2 inches, extrusion length 3 inches. So we start another sketch and pick this for the sketching plane. Just zoom out just a little. Now for this center diameter circle, you want to place the center on this line so that these two circles are exactly in line with the center of the bottom circle. So I'm going to pick a point here for the center of my first circle and another circle using my sketch dimension tool. So that's 1 inch for the inner circle, diameter is 2 inches for the outer circle, and I'm going to specify the distance between the origin and this point, and that's going to be 2.75 inches. And I'm going to click on finish sketch. I'm going to click on my home view icon. So I'm in the isometric view. Again, extrude, select the profile. Same thing, symmetric for the direction. Distance is going to be half of 3 inches, so it would be 1.5 inches on either side of the selected profile. So distance 1.5 and hit enter. And now I'm going to create this portion that connects the two hollow cylinders, the top and the bottom cylinders. So let's proceed with that. So I'm going to create a sketch on this plane, and on my sketch palette I'm going to click the slice option. So let's do that again. So sketch on this plane, and I'm going to slice this so you can see the section. And now I'm going to draw a bunch of lines, and I'm going to pick a point here and go up to this point, and we'll place some constraints on it in a minute. So we want to come here, make sure this is vertical, make sure that this line is tangential to the circle. So I'm going to click on the tangent constraint, click on this, so you can see the tangential constraint has been placed here. Same thing, tangential constraint between this and this. And now I'm going to come back here, sketch dimension tool, and this line needs to be 2.75 inches, same thing, 2.75. so the lines are constrained, and now I'm going to draw another line between this point and this point. And next thing I'm going to draw is an arc, so I can close this profile here. So arc, I'm going to pick a 3-point arc, so I will specify first the start point, then the end point, and then a point on the arc. So this is my start point, this is my end point, and this is a point on the arc. And I'm going to click on finish sketch. I'm going to go to the isometric view by clicking on the home view icon, and now I'm going to click on extrude. The first thing is change the operation to join, then select the profile, same thing, symmetric, and you want to go for a total distance of 2 inches, which would be 1 inch on either side. So enter 1 and enter. And now all we need to do is get rid of this portion. So I'm going to start off another sketch, and right here I'm going to draw a line between this point and this point, and then another arc, a 3-point arc. So select your first point, select your end point, and a point on the arc. Finish that sketch and extrude. So you want to hit extrude, and you want to cut it. So we go cut, and then for the extend type you want to go all, and you want to flip the direction so it cuts through. You want to click OK, and the tube spacer is all done.